Hey, my friends, we're going to practice counting together at home. So, just like in class, I'm going to point to the number and you're going to say it. We're going to count together. So, we're going to count to 100 first. So, count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now let's take a deep breath. Whew. And let's count by tens. Counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, my friends. Let's count down from 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you guys so much for counting with me at home. Have a good night, guys.